Hey guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. It's your girl again, Niella, and her red hair. And we are back with another video, guys. So today's video, just as the title says, I'm going to be unboxing boxes of goodies I've received this past couple of days. And if you're new to my channel, my name is Niella again, and I create content around every freaking thing you see on this channel. So be sure to turn on the bell while you're subscribing so you get notified whenever a new video drops on this channel. And if you're an old subscriber, thank you so much. You guys make this entire journey worth it. So guys, let us get into today's video. The first box here is from Miku, and they reached out to me saying that they were going to send me some of their items to use. I'm just going to get rid of all these things. This is what is inside the package. It has the Miku niacinamide serum with amino acids, and this is 30 ml. And they also sent their moisturizing hand cream. Guys, if you know how I have been thinking of getting moisturizing, I've been thinking of getting a hand cream for the longest of time. And the last but not the least is their creamy candy cane scrub. Okay, it doesn't say if it's for face or for body. Yeah, so this is what it looks like. So this is what it looks like. I'm going to be using these products. I'm going to be trying them on my skin to see how it works. Oh, nice. It's actually sealed. And I'm going to come back to give you guys my honest thoughts on these products that were sent to me. The second one is from Louise hair. So Louise hair is a hair brand based in the UK. Louise hair, and they sent me, ooh, it actually looks really cute. So they sent me their tweezer and combs. Oh, it looks really cute, guys. It looks really cute, and this color is actually my favorite. So it's a tweezer and a comb. It's supposed to help you, this comb here is supposed to help you get, that baby hair around your edges, and the tweezer is supposed to help you pluck out your lace wig or your frontal. So I'm going to be showing you guys how this is, how I'm going to be using this on a wig. And the next product item I received is from M's Wig. So M Wigs is an online store for quality, convenient, and affordable human hair wigs. It's a slay on a budget wig store based in Guelph, Canada. Oh, it came with this really cute, I don't know if I should call this a scrunchie, or I don't know, it looks really cute, guys. Can you guys see? They sent me their Lux wax stick. So the Lux wax stick is a lightweight blending wax that creates a sleek finish look to complete any hair. Oh guys, so I'm going to be trying this on my hair, and she sent me two of these. I'm probably going to be giving one away, and I'm going to be using one here on my channel. And it came with a free wig cap, guys. So I'm going to be showing you how this Lux wax stick works on the hair. If you guys have used any of this wax sticks before on your hair, please let me know in the comment section. God, I love this. The next package I got is from Levine Hair. It's from Levine Hair. You guys can remember when I did like a new Lux hair review, and also showing you guys how I install my 4 Lux hair. And let's see what is in here. Okay, So this looks like a wig, guys. Okay, it's a wig. So guys, it's a wig. They sent me their wig, and it's a bob fringe wig, guys. It's been a while since I wore fringe, so I'm going to be trying this too on my channel for you guys. I don't know when, but let me get this out of the way. And it comes with a wig cap as well. And oh my god, second thing here. Okay, so it's a wig kit, and this is the wig clamp, and these are T-pins, curve needles, and wig combs. Interesting. Ooh. And this is the wig head. Yep, yeah baby, so big. This is how big my head is. So they also sent me their wig kit, and their wig kit contains this wig head, contains the wig clamp, the wig head clamp, has T-pins, curve needles, and 2 wig combs. Guys, I don't know if I've mentioned on this channel, but I know how to make wigs. I make wigs, but I literally only make for myself, and I've been wanting to get this for ease of convenience so that I can be able to make my wigs without stress. So the last but not the least, can you guys already see the sign? Yeah, so it's a Nike shoe. And no, Nike did not send me this shoe. It was my husband who bought this shoe for me, and yay, let's just say it's an early Christmas gift. I actually like the colors, even if I'm not a fan. Okay, this is pink. I actually like the color blend. I'm sure if you place both colors or all the colors together, it may seem like it doesn't match, but I love it on the shoe. Thank you so much, Wigs, for sending me this wax tape. Thank you so much to Miku for sending me these skincare products. I'll be sure to do an honest review here on my channel. And thank you so much to Living Hair for sending me the wig kit, as well as the bob fringe wig. Thank you so much to Louise Hair. Guys, be sure to check out Louise Hair, especially if you're in the UK. So guys, that's pretty much everything I want to show you guys, or I want to unbox and show you guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Be sure to subscribe to my channel, turn on the bell, so that you will know when I'm going to be doing reviews of all these things I received, minus the shoes. I'll see you guys in my next one. Do have yourself a fabulous day ahead. I'm going to be leaving all the details of this brand in my description box below. Bye guys.